Hi you guys, and welcome back to the video. My name's Vicky, and what I'm going to do today is I'm going to show you how to make a cat's cradle Eiffel Tower. So you can do this with a piece of elastic or a piece of string or a piece of wool. So I've got my piece of string here. What we're going to do is we're going to just put it over our finger and thumb just like that, and the same on the other side. We're going to pull it tight. We're then going to take our index finger and we're going to put it under that piece of string on the palm. Exactly the same the other way. We're just going to go through here. Brilliant. And you should have this shape now. So what we're going to do is we're going to drop our thumbs, and then from underneath what we're going to do is we are going to be getting the far string attached with our thumbs, pull it through, and then we're going to go over the first one and picking up the next one. Okay, so it should look like this. We're now going to drop our little fingers, and then we're going to go over the first one and pick up the next one. So it should look like this now. And then we're going to drop the thumbs and we're going to go over these first two and pick up the next piece of string. I'm going to pull that back, and now we're going to do the nifty bit. So the piece that's over your finger, what we're going to do is we're going to pull this piece and put it over the thumb. We're then going to take the piece that was already on the thumb and put it over the thumb. So what it does is it now looks like this. So we're going to do exactly the same on this side. So we're going to pull the piece that's already on the finger, pull it over the thumb, and bring the piece that was underneath on the thumb already over the top, and we're going to pull it out. So what you can see here is you have a little triangle here and a little triangle there as well. So what we're going to do is we're going to put our index fingers in those triangles. We're going to drop our little fingers and we're going to turn our hands inwards, and you should have this shape now. So what I want you to do is I want you to close up that hand on the left hand side and pull it down, and there is your Eiffel Tower. So I hope that has helped you. What I'll do is I'll do it again for you. So what we'll do, we'll just open it up again. So we've got our fingers in either side. We're going to use our index fingers to take the piece of string over those. Same again this side. We're going to drop the thumbs, go and pick up that far piece of string from underneath. We're then going to go over the first one and pick up the second one. We're going to drop the little fingers over the first, pick up the second, drop the thumbs again. You've got that cross. What we're going to do is we're going to go over the first two, pick up the next one. So it should look like this then. And then we're just going to bring over from the index finger, we're going to bring that piece of string over the thumb, and the piece that was already over the thumb, we're just going to bring it back the other side. Just looks like that. Exactly the same on this side. So you can see where the pieces of string are already. Just going to bring that one over here. The one that was already there back over the top. You can see here we've got our little triangles, so I'm just going to put my index finger in those, drop the little fingers, roll it out, and there is our Eiffel Tower again. Just close those fingers up on your left hand and there is your Eiffel Tower. So pretty nifty, folks. So I hope you've enjoyed that. So you can do that really, really easily. You can use a piece of string, or you can use some wool or the elastic as well. It's something that will keep you occupied with, and you'll learn some new skills that way. So I hope you guys have enjoyed, and press the like and subscribe button if you've enjoyed making it. If you haven't seen already, then I have done some old school games that you can play at home. So this is one of the games, and I just wanted to just explain it to you exactly how to do it. So that's what this video is. So have a look out for that other video. I will put a link in the description for you and just put a picture up here so you guys can see it. And I will see you next time. Bye.